Good day, everybody. Today, BB Venture is going to train you on how to make net fascinator with binding wire. All what you need your binding wire, you need your needle and thread, you need your sellotape to take the mouth of the wire that you cut together. Then you need your scissors, you need your net and the cream rolling that you are going to use to design it. Now this is my wire. I've cut it and I bind the mouth together. The next thing for us now is to cut your net. You cut your net out. Cut your net. The reason we are using net is to cover this nakedness of the wire. You take your hook gum, put your hook gum on it, then you started using the net to cover it. We have taped our wire with the net. You can use bias or use thread to roll it. Then you spread your net. Spread your net, then you cover it like this. This is, you can do it in two ways. You can use your needle and thread to sew it round or fold it like this. Now see, I'm folding it. The more you fold it, the more the cuff will come out. The more you release it, the more it will spread. Then I want to do a cuff design. You take your thread and needle, you tie it, tie it, tie it. We see it, then you cut the leftover. And we see it. Make sure it's very tight. Tight it well. Now, look at it. Now you take your cream rolling to design. Look at the design. Now you can use feather, you can put more design on it if you want, but this is how to make a net and binding wire fascinator. Thank you. Like, share and subscribe.